Hello and welcome to WealthWave Hub. Are you looking to dive into real estate investing but feel like you're starting from scratch? Wondering how to get your foot in the door in 2026? Especially if you think you need a ton of cash? Well, you've clicked on the right video. This is your ultimate guide to real estate investing for beginners. We're going to break down everything you need to know, step by step, including clever ways to get started with little to no money. Real estate investing is a powerful way to build serious wealth, create passive income, and achieve financial freedom. So if you're ready to learn how, stick around. Let's get started on your journey. First things first, let's cover the absolute basics of real estate investing for beginners. At its core, it's about buying property to make money, either through rental income or from the property's value going up over time, which is called appreciation. You've got different types to choose from, like residential homes, commercial buildings, or even quick flips. The market in 2026 is heating up, so for beginners, the key is to focus on up-and-coming, affordable areas. Your first step should be education. Grab a copy of Rich Dad, Poor Dad or download apps like Bigger Pockets to connect with other investors. Here's a quick tip. Set a clear goal. Something like aiming for an extra $1,000 a month in passive income can really keep you motivated. Think you can't start without a pile of cash? Think again. There are fantastic strategies for real estate investing for beginners with no money. You can use an FHA loan, which only requires a 3.5% down payment. Another great option is to partner up with someone who has the capital while you bring the hustle and find the deals. Ever heard of crowdfunding? Platforms like Fundrise let you pool your money with other investors and get a piece of large real estate projects for as little as $10. And here's a game-changing hack for beginners. It's called house hacking. You buy a multi-unit property, like a duplex, live in one unit, and rent out the others. The rental income can cover your entire mortgage. Probably the easiest way for any beginner to get started is through REITs, which stands for Real Estate Investment Trusts. Think of it like buying stocks, but instead of a company, you're buying a small piece of a huge portfolio of properties. A fund like the Vanguard REIT ETF can offer yields of around 3 to 5%. And the best part is you don't have to deal with tenants or toilets. In 2026, a hot trend for beginners is tech-driven REITs that focus on properties like data centers and cell towers. You can literally start investing in REITs with just $100 on an app like Robinhood. It's a simple, low-cost way to get your money working in the real estate market. Let's take a deeper look at house hacking, because it's a brilliant strategy for beginners. The concept is simple. You buy a property with 2 to 4 units using a low down payment loan. You move into one of the units and rent out the others. In many cases, the rent you collect from your tenants is enough to cover your entire mortgage payment, plus other expenses like taxes and insurance. Essentially, you get to live for free. You can use tools like Zillow or Realtor.com to find potential multifamily deals in your area. And here's a pro tip. Consider listing a spare room or one of the units on Airbnb for even higher rental income. This strategy could easily create $500 to $2,000 a month in positive cash flow. Another fantastic no-money-down strategy for beginners is wholesaling. This is less about owning property and more about being a deal finder. Here's how it works. You find an undervalued property, get it under contract with the seller, and then you assign that contract to another buyer, usually a fix and flipper or a landlord, for a fee. You don't need any of your own money, just good marketing skills to find distressed sellers and motivated buyers. You can search for deals on Craigslist, Facebook groups, or even by driving around looking for neglected homes. For 2026, new AI tools are emerging that can help you analyze potential deals in seconds. You can earn anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 per deal you successfully wholesale. Success in real estate investing for beginners boils down to one thing: great market research. You make money when you buy, so you need to know where to look. Use data from sites like Redfin or Zillow to understand local trends. You want to target areas with strong job growth and population increases. Think of places like Austin, Texas, or other growing Sunbelt cities. Tools like Mashvisor are amazing for beginners. They have calculators that can instantly show you the potential cash flow and return on investment for any property listed for sale. It's also important to avoid hype and market bubbles. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investments across different areas is a smart move for long-term success. Now, let's be real. Real estate investing for beginners isn't without its risks. A common mistake is over-leveraging, which means borrowing too much money and leaving yourself with no cushion. Another pitfall is underestimating the cost of repairs and maintenance. And please do not start without an emergency fund. You need cash set aside for unexpected vacancies or a broken water heater. The best way to mitigate these risks is through continuous education and by building a team of professionals like a good real estate agent and a property manager. Remember, real estate investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience is truly your greatest asset. So that's your starter pack for real estate investing for beginners in 2026. We've covered everything from the basics to advanced no money down strategies. Here's a bonus tip. Start networking. Join local real estate investor meets in your area to learn from people who are already doing it. I'd love to know, what's your number one real estate investing goal? Drop it in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.